In this presentation, you're going to learn 5 different ways that Facebook ads can help you grow your business. Whether you're running an online or offline business, investing in Facebook ads will help you get the word out about your business quickly and inexpensively. Here's how Facebook ads can help you. 1. Cost-effective solution. You can advertise on plenty of other platforms, but none are as affordable as Facebook. You can set your own budget, start advertising at $5 a day, and reach the people you want to reach. It's not uncommon to see 100% or 1,000% or even 10,000% ROI from investing in Facebook ads. This is especially true when you do your homework and narrow down your audience to the right people. 2. Reach your target audience. With Facebook, you can go as narrow or as wide as you'd like with your audience. You can choose to target only people within a certain distance from your store's physical location, or you can target anyone in the whole world. 3. Get traffic instantly. If you've been waiting for ages to get your website rank high on Google with nothing to show for it, then it's time to invest in Facebook ads. You can get traffic to your website as soon as your ad gets approved. And if you do your ads right, you may soon see more foot traffic in your brick-and-mortar business. 4. Build relationships with your audience. People may not instantly buy or accept whatever it is you're offering them because they don't trust you yet. But with a few well-spent dollars on Facebook ads, people will become more aware of your brand and your business. If you engage with your Facebook fans, you'll further increase the trust factor, and people will be more willing to do business with you. 5. Possibility to go viral and get even more business. Crafting a catchy and memorable advertisement is tough, but when done right, the potential of going viral is huge. When people share your content with their network of friends, then it means you're doing the right thing and have targeted the right people. While not everyone may buy from you, you're basically getting free advertisement, which means more referrals and more potential revenue for your business.